I grew up in Terry, Mississippi, a little small town with one bank. Now, my grandmother, nor my great-grandmother, ever had a bank account to the day of their death. Now, in 2017, I have a sister, I have an uncle, amongst other family members and friends that still do not have a bank account. My name is Sheena Allen, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of CapWay, and we are the financial opportunity for the underserved. Now, when we say underserved, we're talking about those who are unbanked, underbanked, and the working poor. And they have generational mistrust in banks. They lack financial literacy, with 2 out of 3 Americans not able to pass a basic financial literacy test. There's the high cost of banking, but then there's the other side of it, meaning there may not even be a bank in their area. And that's due to the 10,000 branches that have closed since 2008. Now, there are about 3 billion people worldwide who are considered financially underserved. But for CapWay, we focus on the 46 million millennials in America. And that's because millennials are coined the unbanked generation, with 1 in 10 not having a bank account, and 1 in 3 participating in the predatory economy. But most importantly, by focusing on millennials, it gives us an opportunity to break a negative generational cycle when it comes to financial behavior. Now, CapWay is what we call a 2-sided coin. The first side is education. We offer videos, polls, infographics, quick money facts, but we make sure the content that we offer is culturally relevant to the audience that we serve. The other side of that coin is the actual tools. Backed by a holding bank, we offer prepaid debit cards and bank-issued debit cards. So yes, that means that we actually can bank the unbanked. Now, for our users who already have a bank account, they can easily link their existing account through the CapWay platform. Now, we do both sides because we take the education that we give and use our financial intelligence to cross-reference that with their actual financial behavior. We add in other priority factors, including housing, transportation, insurance, and we give our users a financial health score. Now, like a credit score, your health score is actually updated once per month, and it comes along with a report, which means we're able to break down and show our users their problematic areas. But unlike a credit score, we actually take into way more consideration than just your basic debt to income. Now, as far as acquiring customers, we do everything from social media campaigns, community meetups, but our key go-to-market strategy is actually our partnerships. And we partner with schools, community organizations, employers, financial institutions. This means that we're able to onboard a large amount of users in a short period of time. And also by working with partners, it kind of works like word of mouth, meaning that it builds trust and credibility. Now, our partners actually pay to have a program through the CapWay application. They're not just investing in their community, they're actually investing in data they receive, and they use that data to actually better their services. For example, schools, they use that data to better financial aid and student affairs. Employers, they use that data to try to minimize the high turnover ratio when it comes to employees who make minimum wage. So our dedicated partners, they pay anywhere from $3,000 to $50,000 per year, and those programs are either code-based or location-based. Our larger partners pay anywhere from $10,000 to $100,000 per year for a program that's actually accessible for anybody who uses the CapWay application. Other streams of revenue include advertising, referrals, and fees that are paid for our actual financial services. Now, there are other people that also is playing in this field. But the one thing that sets CapWay apart is, once again, we're not only teaching and giving financial literacy, we actually offer the tools so we can make sure we're having a positive impact on their actual financial behavior. And we've signed our first partnership with the University of Southern Mississippi, and we were able to onboard about 400 users within about 2 weeks. And next week, we'll head back to the University of Southern Miss, now that we not only have our iPhone app, but we just released also our Android beta application. We're looking for $800,000, and this is for team, product development, also for customer acquisition. But a big piece of this is so that we can onboard the numerous partnerships that we currently have in our pipeline that we just cannot bring on board due to not having the capacity to do so. Our next major milestone is actually the full release of our app along with our website. As a team, Dundre and I both have previous startup experience. My co-founder, Tim, actually used to work for CDFI Bank and has worked with rural America and low to moderate income households for years. As a team, we not only have the professional knowledge, we have the personal knowledge. So while many people may know there's a problem, we know the problem, but we also know the people with the problem. And that, as a team, is one of our biggest competitive advantages. We are CapWay, and we are the financial opportunity for the underserved. And that is the opportunity to break a negative generational cycle when it comes to financial behavior. It's an opportunity to offer access and convenience to those who have been left on the outside of the traditional banking system. But most importantly, it's an opportunity to not only increase financial health, but it gives us the opportunity to actually give them financial wealth. Thank you.